For the tools and techniques you need to make or repair bags, shoes, clothing, and much more, this is the Ohio Travel Bag Workshop. Today we're going to show you types of zipper tape. There are 4 main types of zippers that you'll come across. Coil, which is a nylon, Vislon, which is a plastic, metal, and invisible. You can get any of these types of zippers as zipper tape, which is sold by the foot and doesn't include hardware, or as closed-end zippers, which include hardware and are pre-cut to a determined size. Coil zippers are a popular lightweight zipper. The teeth are made of nylon or polyester that is either stitched or woven into the tape. This zipper is a great choice for knit jackets, bags, pockets, or other lightweight projects where you don't want the zipper to stand out too much. Vislon, or plastic zippers. This zipper type has teeth molded and melted directly onto the tape. These are usually made of cheaper material, making them a very cost-effective option for your project. The shape of the teeth makes them a bit stiffer than the coil zippers, making them great for children's clothing, tote bags, and things of that nature. Metal zippers have teeth usually made of solid brass, nickel, or aluminum that are clamped onto the zipper tape. They are heavier than nylon and plastic, making them incredibly durable. One thing to keep in mind about metal zippers is that they tend to stick, meaning their slider doesn't move as smoothly up and down. Crafters typically use the metal zipper for heavy-duty coats, duffel bags, and leather products. With invisible zippers, the teeth are on the back side of the zipper. This means that once it's sewn into your project, the zipper itself will not be visible from the right side. These are commonly used in formal wear, apparel such as tops and dresses, and home furnishings. And there you have it, the 4 main types of zippers. Try them for yourself. Find all these tools and more at ohiotravelbag.com.